How to embed and stock details to your Microsoft Teams chat. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you to the exact steps on how you can embed any stocks details into your Teams group chat. So in order to start, the first thing that I'm going to clarify is that it won't work with a personal chat. So you must make sure that it is a group chat. Now, having understand this, I'm gonna go to a particular group chat, and within this group chat, I'm gonna go to this s- type a message bar right here, and from here I have this plus option right here which says actions and apps. So I'll simply click onto this, and from here choose the stocks option, and then type in the name of the stock that I would want to add to this message. So let's say I'm gonna search for an Nvidia, and once I'll search for Nvidia, you can see this Nvidia Corp like here from the Nasdaq stock market. So I'm gonna simply click onto this, and here you can see that the Nvidia stock has been listed right here. So I can also type in the message as well, and then I'm gonna click onto this send button to send this message to my group chat. So that's how easily you can embed these stock prices right here within the chat. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.